Good luck, guys. 2016 National Treasures Baseball single box, random numbers around 95. 4 people from this break are going to get a spot in a full case of 2015 NT random teams number 38. Good luck. First, let's get your numbers 4 times on the draw. 99 total spots. MCal 411 on the bottom. Carl with a K, thanks up top. 1, 2, 3, and last one, good luck. 4. Fields of Fire number 1. Sam GA number 99. All right, Fields of Fire down to Upshot Hip Hop, the top 33. $34 to $66 is Max to MG, Michael G. And 67 to 99, HVAC Therapy to Sam GA. All right, while you're looking at that, 3 more times on the list. Top 4 in the 2015 case. 1, Upshot up top. 2, Upshot up top. And the last one, good luck. 3, Upshot, He Hate Me, Upshot, and Sam GA. You guys are in. Congrats. 2015 NT. All right. Everybody else, good luck. See what comes out the box. No Babe Ruth bat barrel on this one, guys. Sorry. Not this time. Manny Machado, 34 of 99. 34 is Max. Jake Arrieta, 15 out of 25. Upshot Hip Hop, number 15. Ken Griffey Jr., 20 out of 49. Upshot Hip Hop. League's best, Ken Griffey Jr. Luis Severino. Rookie Jumbo Patch Auto, 12 of 99 for Big Mike. Trace Thompson, 15 of 99. Upshot again at the 15 spot. RPA. Billy Burns, 36 of 99, made in the USA. Upshot Hip Hop. Stacking them up, stacking them up. Brandon Drury, Player Collection Auto, 64 of 99. Sam GA. Game Dated Auto Patch Max Scherzenberger, number 3 out of 10. Sam GA, back to back. And the book, Adam Wainwright, 9 out of 25. Big jerseys. All right, number 9, JT Pabs 13. Well, that's going to do it for the break, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Congrats to those of you that got hits and the guys that made it into the 2015 case. Good luck on that one. It's close to full. Might fill tonight. Until next time, peace.